Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Santosh Kumar Bhutia.
And my name is Aditya Manpati.
Today
we have to explain about our school kitchen garden. So guys, this plant name is potato plant. This is a type of hot plant. The potato is made under the soil.
The next plant name is beans plant. It is a type of hot plant. So let's see. It is a flower of this plant. See this. And this is a little fruit of this plant. After some days, he grows in a very larger size, this fruit.
So guys, the next plant is ladies finger plant. This is a type of short plant. This is the small fruit of the plant. In some days, the fruit is large in size and make ladies finger.
So guys, the next plant name is cauliflower. This is a vegetable. Here is a little fruit of this plant.
So guys, this next plant is cabbage. This is a vegetable. The leaves are bind inside the like a football. In some days, the type of football is make cabbage.
So guys, the next plant name is ulkobi. It is a type of vegetable. This plant is made by the top level of the roots.
So guys, the next plant is tomato plant. There are two types of tomato plant. One is creeper and another is climber. But in our garden, the tomato plant is climber. Here is the flower of tomato, which some days after the flower becomes tomato, and this is tomato in green color, which is red in color after some days.
So guys, the next plant name is pumpkin plant. It is a type of creeper plant. This is a flower of this plant. This is not grow in these days. After some days, he grows slowly to a pumpkin.
So guys, our next tree is banana tree. This is a tree. Here is the fruit of the tree. Here is banana, and these leaves some people used to eat foods in lunch and dinner.
So guys, the next plant name is spinach. It is a type of herb. This is small in length because due to its short stem. And this is another pumpkin plant.
So guys, our next plant is brinjal plant. This is a type of herb. It is the flower of the brinjal. In some days, the flower is become a brinjal.
So guys, the next plant name is onion. It is a type of plant under the soil. So guys, the next plant name is chili. It is a type of herb plant. It is very hot.
So guys, our next plant is cucumber plant. This is a type of creeper plant. Here is some flower which is make cucumber in some days, and this is a small newborn cucumber which is make a big cucumber in some days.
So guys, the next plant name is bitter gourd. It is a type of creeper plant. Here is a flower of this plant. He is a flower of this plant, and he is a newborn bitter gourd. After some days, he grows in a bigger size.
So guys, our next plant is this is a type of herb. Here are some flower which is make simla mirch in some days, and here is a small newborn simla mirch which is bigger in size after some days. So guys, our next plant is papaya. This is a type of shrub. Here are some flower which is make papaya in some days.
Find a real find the real me. So let's go, seize the feeling. 'Cause you know it's time for the meaning. Now we show